Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Iron Man in Marvel Rivals. First, understand his core abilities. Iron Man excels at mid-range combat, using his repulsor blasts for steady damage. His flight allows for strategic positioning and flanking maneuvers. Remember to manage your energy for optimal ability usage. We'll cover his primary attacks, defensive options, and ultimate ability to help you dominate the battlefield. Get ready to suit up and unleash Tony Stark's genius. Let's dive into Iron Man's core combat. Your repulsor blasts are your bread and butter, offering consistent damage. Don't forget to use his flight to reposition, gain an advantage, or retreat when necessary. The Unibeam is a powerful ability for bursting down high-priority targets, so aim carefully. His missile barrage is excellent for area denial or finishing off weakened foes. Practice combining these for maximum impact. Now, let's talk about advanced tactics. Positioning is crucial for Iron Man. Stay at a medium range to maximize your damage while minimizing risk. Use your flight not just for movement, but also for dodging attacks and gaining advantageous angles. Always be aware of your surroundings and utilize cover. When using your Unibeam, try to combo it with an ally's stun or root for a guaranteed hit. Focus on eliminating key enemy threats first. Finally, let's discuss Iron Man's ultimate ability and team play. His ultimate, the Hulkbuster Protocol or similar, creates a large area of effect that deals massive damage. Use it to secure objectives, break enemy formations, or clear out groups. Always communicate with your team to ensure your ultimate lands effectively. Combining your Unibeam with a teammate's stun or your ultimate with a push can turn the tide of any battle. Work together for victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.